Welcome everyone. Today we're diving into the fascinating era known as the Industrial Revolution, a period of profound change that began in the late 18th century and continued into the 19th century. This era fundamentally transformed agrarian societies into bustling, industrialized urban centers. We'll explore the origins, key inventions, social impacts, and lasting effects of the Industrial Revolution. So stay with us as we journey through this transformative period in history. Let's start by looking at the pre-industrial world. During this time, most people lived in rural areas and worked in agriculture. The agricultural revolution, which significantly increased food production, played a crucial role in setting the stage for the Industrial Revolution. This increase in food production freed up labor, allowing more people to work in industrial jobs. Britain emerged as the birthplace of the Industrial Revolution, thanks to its access to resources like coal and iron, its political stability, and its expansive colonial empire that provided vast markets for goods. Now let's highlight some of the key inventions that fueled the Industrial Revolution. In 1764, James Hargreaves invented the spinning jenny, which revolutionized the textile industry by allowing one worker to spin multiple threads at once. Just a few years later, in 1769, Richard Arkwright developed the water frame, using water power to drive spinning machines and leading to the development of factories. James Watt made significant improvements to the steam engine in 1776, making it a critical power source for factories, transportation, and mining. In 1784, Edmund Cartwright introduced the power loom, automating the weaving process and significantly increasing textile production. Additionally, the advent of the railroad and steamships transformed transportation, enabling the faster movement of goods and people, further accelerating industrial growth. The rise of factories centralized production and led to the growth of industrial cities. This shift from a rural, agrarian lifestyle to an urban, industrial one saw people moving to cities in search of work. Cities like Manchester, Birmingham, and London experienced rapid growth. However, this growth came with challenges such as overcrowding, poor sanitation, and harsh working conditions. The Industrial Revolution created a new social class structure, with a wealthy industrial bourgeoisie and a large working-class population. The working conditions in factories were difficult, with long hours, low wages, and unsafe environments. This led to the rise of labor unions and strikes. Women and children were often employed in factories due to their ability to be paid lower wages. Social changes also emerged, including the rise of a consumer culture, as mass-produced goods became more affordable. The Industrial Revolution spread from Britain to other parts of Europe, the United States, and eventually around the world. This had a global impact, including the exploitation of colonies for raw materials and markets, as well as the rise of global trade networks. Industrialization led to economic disparities between industrialized nations and those that remained largely agrarian. The Industrial Revolution had transformative effects on society, the economy, and the environment. It laid the foundation for the modern world, with its emphasis on technology, innovation, and industrial production. The continuing impact of industrialization on contemporary issues such as climate change, global inequality, and the future of work is something we still grapple with today.